start with the name of Allah, who created us in the best stature. But before this, many thanks for my respected chiefs and respected president to listen me. My opponent Frizan told us, we can learn the Quran by internet. I have one question. We can learn, but Allah Almighty sent us the Quran for books for learn the Quran. How can we learn the Quran by internet? And the person who use the internet, he doesn't perform the prayer, and he wastes all time in uses the of internet. Before Hadith was before 14,000 years old was good peoples, and they were not used the internet, and after this time also will good peoples, and they will